Teaching kids good manners for guests is crucial in today's society. It's never too early to start. Here are 10 tips to help your child become a gracious host. Teach your child to greet guests with a friendly hello or hi and a smile. It's a simple yet effective way to make guests feel welcome. Encourage your child to make eye contact when speaking to guests. It shows respect and makes the conversation more engaging. Politeness goes a long way. Teach your child to use polite words like please and thank you. Sharing is caring. Encourage your child to share toys and games when guests are over. Teach your child to listen when guests are speaking and not interrupt. It's a sign of respect and shows good manners. Explain the importance of respecting personal space and privacy. Teach your child to respect boundaries and ask for permission before entering someone's room. Teach proper table manners when eating with guests. It shows respect and makes the meal more enjoyable for everyone. Instruct your child to clean up their messes and help with household chores when guests leave. It's a sign of appreciation and helps teach responsibility. Teach your child to express gratitude for the visit. A simple "it was nice having you over" can go a long way. Remind your child to say goodbye politely and thank the guests for coming. It's a great way to end the visit on a positive note.